Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to update your payment method on Crunchyroll. So in order to do that, first of all launch Crunchyroll official website. You could open any web browser or search engine on your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google search engine. Now let's search for Crunchyroll. Make sure that you tap on the official website of Crunchyroll. I'm going to tap on this link on top. Once you come here, make sure that you're logged on to your Crunchyroll account. Now at the top right corner of this homepage, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of settings. Now again, under account settings, you'll see a drop-down button beside settings option. Let's tap on it. From here, under purchase and credit, you'll see payment info. Tap on it. Now, as you can see that in my case, I do not have any current payment method, so I can see the option of add new payment method. So if you have set a payment method already, you can simply tap on this option of add new payment method as well. So let's tap on it. Now you could simply add a new payment method and update your payment method on your Crunchyroll account. Simply enter all these details here, and then tap on the option of Add Card in order to update your payment method of your Crunchyroll account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.